Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris, and Cathy's actually not here today, but we do go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. We have another What's Sold video for you today. Cathy's actually up in Denver right now. She's sourcing with our friends Amber over at Amber Resells and Greg down with Rocky Mountain Resell. And so I'm here doing shipping all alone for the first time. So we're going to go ahead and pull through, and we're going to do a What's Sold by my lonesome. So let's see how this goes. Hopefully it goes well. So this What's Sold is going to be a little bit different compared to our normal What's Sold, because I'm kind of holding the camera and it's kind of hard to pick stuff at the same time. So we're just going to go through and do the best that we can. So I think first up we have in box N here, we have some Gap Madres shorts. And I'm going to go ahead and just pull this stuff real quick, and then we'll talk about them just to make it easier on me. I think we had 5 sales on eBay right now. Next up, I have a Post-it note right below you guys right here. So next up is box CT over here. And yeah, these dance goes right here. So we'll just set this down. All right, looks like next up we have box BL. These are some Sorel wedges, BL, right down here. Looks like them. All right. And then hanging over here, looks like we sold a Third Love bra. And I think it was easy. Well, it was easy. They're kind of tangled. So it was the black one here. Let me just verify. 40G, yeah. So this Third Love bra. And then last up, we got to pull some Vionics from CA. That should be right over here. They're right here. All right, so I got the camera all set up so I could use my hands, and we're just gonna go through and talk about the 5 things that I just picked from eBay. First up was these Baby Gap Madres shorts. Looks like we sourced them from Goodwill in 2020 for $2.16, and they sold for $8.59 plus shipping. All right, next up was these Dansko, what are these, heeled open toe sandals. Looks like we picked these ones up in March of this year for $10.81, and they sold for $31.80 plus shipping. All right, looks like next up we have these Sorel, looks like they're called a Joni wedge sandal, size 6. Looks like we sourced them from Plato's Closet back in March for $23.67. Usually Plato's Closet is a little bit more pricey, but the stuff seems to sell pretty quick for us. This was a few months ago, and this one sold for $55 plus shipping. All right, next up we've got this Third Love bra. Now Cathy sourced these all on her birthday trip up to Denver. At the Benz, she was able to source like 50 pairs of gently used Third Love bras. That was Reese back there. And so at this point, our cost of goods on this is basically nothing. They were super cheap to begin with, and we basically paid for that whole haul within the first 1 or 2 sales. So it looks like, yeah, we got these at the Goodwill Benz up in Denver, and cost is basically nothing. And they sold, or this sold for $22.70 plus shipping. All right, last up, looks like we have this pair of Vionic sandals. It looks like we sourced these Vionics from Goodwill in October of 2020. We paid $8.65 for these, and it looks like they sold for $27.25 plus shipping. All right, so next, I think I'm gonna go ahead and pack and ship up these 5 items just to get them off the table so I don't get things all mixed up. All right, guys, got eBay all packed up, and it looks like it cost us $29.49 for all those shipping labels. All right, guys, we got eBay, which is kind of the hard one out of the way. So we're going to go ahead and do Poshmark and Facebook. Let's start with Facebook. We only had one more. We only had one sale on Facebook. So box DE. Oh, Reese, you're in the way, Buster. Come on. Watch out, Bubba's. Watch out. I gotta get in DE. All right. These Hokas. Well, again, we're gonna go ahead and pull them all real quick and then talk about them like before. All right, next up, it looks like we had a bundle sale for Lisa. So let's go BW. It's over here. Another one of these Mary or Matilda Jane dresses. Oh. This patchwork dress here. And then, let's see, box BT. I think that's over here. Yeah, it's kind of behind this stack of boxes. I'm gonna take a second to move these. All right, just had to move these cardboard boxes real quick. Looks like in box BT. Man, this is really hard to do one-handed. Yeah, these here. These are some, I think, Ivanka Trump high heels. And that goes with that. All right, my sticky keeps falling off of where I have it there. So it looks like next up we have game headbands, and that's gonna be up here on the top shelf. This, I believe, went to a viewer. We'll talk about that in a minute. And then last up, box B, we have some Saucony. Sneakers. All right, guys, let's talk about these sales. I actually had to run down and turn the AC on. It's been getting hot up here, which is nice. I mean, summer's finally here, even though we get snow every other day. But so first up, these are from Facebook Marketplace. These are Hokas. Looks like we sourced these from the Goodwill Bins in April for $1.31, and they sold on Facebook Marketplace for $30 plus $9 shipping. Pretty good sale there. All right, next up we have a bundle sale going out to a viewer, Lisa. Lisa purchased this adult Matilda Jane dress. I think we bought 3 of these recently. The other 2 have sold already. So this is the last one, and it sold really quick. Yeah, we got this dress for $9.73 at Goodwill. And then Lisa also got these high heels. These are Ivanka Trumps, and we got these in Goodwill from back in 2019. We got them for $5.41, and her bundle was $54. And it looks like we gave a little bit of a shipping discount for $1.50. So thank you for your support, Lisa. We really appreciate your purchase and hope you enjoy your items. Next up, we have this game headbands. This is also actually going out to a viewer. This is going out to Yo. She's one of our viewers that has been around for a long time. She comments on a lot of our videos. And Yo, we really appreciate all your support. We got this headbands game from Goodwill for $3.24, looks like in January, and Yo picked this up for $13 on Poshmark. So again, thank you, Yo, for your support. Hopefully you enjoy your game with your little kids. Last up, we've got these Saucony sneakers. We got these from the Salvation Army for $6.48 back in March. And these are going out on Poshmark for $20. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff all packed up, and then I'll be right back with you guys. And then I think we have 1 kit is in sale and 1 Mercari sale to go. All right, guys, got those 4 packed up, ready to go. That's pretty easy. Poshmark is probably the easiest to ship. You just can use pretty much any priority mail box, and it's good to go as long as it's under 5 pounds, I believe. And Facebook wasn't too bad either. So I think we have 2 more sales to pull real quick. This first one sold on Mercari, and it is box DI. So that's over here, down in this corner. Yes, angel deer here. I'll talk about that in a second. And then last up, looks like box AF, and we're looking for some Hollister jeans. Oh, those are Tommy Bahama. There we go, Hollister. Yeah, and that's a good reason why we try to keep as many different items in one box as possible. Obviously, it was easy to tell that those were the wrong jeans, but... All right, first up was this new with tag Angel Deer set. I think it was looks like a tunic, dress, and leggings. And we sourced this from Once Upon a Child back in March for $5.90. And it's sold on Mercari for $19 with free shipping. So I think we're making $16.25 minus the shipping fees on that. That's probably gonna go first class though, so. And then we have these Hollister jeans. We sourced these from Salvation Army December of 2020. We paid $3.79. And these, I thought I was ready. And these sold on Kitizen for $25 free shipping. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these two packed up, and then that's gonna be it for what sold for us today. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, I did it. That's 11 packages going out. Did it all by myself, although Reese was here for moral support. Whatever that's worth. So, yeah, it's actually coming up on 4 o'clock. Actually, it's only 3:30, so I think I made pretty good time. I think I started around 1:45, so an hour and 45 minutes. Yeah, it's not too bad by myself, and I have very little experience shipping things out. Cathy is the one that really kind of just tells me what to do, like tape this box, put this in there kind of thing. But I guess I've picked up a few pointers from her. I think I did pretty good. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take this stuff off to the post office. The kids have been really good, so I might stop by somewhere and get them a little treat. And yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. I'm not exactly sure how long this one's gonna end up, just because I had a lot of retakes and stuff as far as the video editing goes, and now I got to figure out how to take a thumbnail for this video. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Cathy should be back with us tomorrow, and that's going to do it for today. So thank you so much, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.